Welcome to Evision, India's #1 leading HR and IT recruitment company. Join Evision, join job.
Hello, my name is Anukool Pant and I am from Srinagar, Garhwal, Uttarakhand. I have completed my diploma in electronics engineering and communication from Government Polytechnic, Srinagar, Garhwal, Uttarakhand in 2019. I had joined Evision on 10th June 2022. One of the best online institute in for CCNA. Best facilities here about placement for each and every student will get an number of interviews opportunity and daily live presentation, interview practice and mock help, a lot of guarantee improvement further. Per day, per session, mock interview has developed my confidence up to assure. For that I am happy to say that I got selected Coforge with a salary package 2.4 lakh per annum. Thank you so much for Evision giving me this wonderful opportunity. Thank you so much.